Ooh. Got something top secret for you. Although by the time you see this video, it won't be top secret anymore. Careful, careful. So, what we have here, a little special preview from Cambridge Audio. Thanks, Cambridge Audio. Is the successor to the highly popular CXN V2 streamer, which would not stop winning awards. Just very highly rated indeed. This is the new one, the CXN100. Let's have a look. So, some kind of audio data cable of some kind. We'll look at that in a minute. Get it. Ben. There we go. Thanks, Ben. So we've got a UK power cable, European power cable, but some very eco-friendly packaging. It's good. Cambridge Audio always do some good stuff. Oh look, it's compostable and biodegradable. Earth-friendly. Let's take a look. Open up, see what you get inside. We're at the York store today. They're going to be happy because they can keep this for demos. Ah, oh, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, this is sort of like a ground floor remodel, so we'll put some stats up on the screen there. Have a look in the accessories bag while you look at those. We've got some kind of data cable, coaxial cable, RCA cable, that. We've got two antenna. Got the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi antenna, which is pretty essential for this thing. Usual instructions, which we always read, showing how it's paired up with the CXC and the CXA models. Let's get up close and plug it in. So for those of you who maybe don't know, a network streamer is an internet connected bit of hardware that you hook up to an amp, and it allows you to stream all your favorite digital music from Spotify, Deezer, Tidal, and high-res music files. Normally, we'd show you the setup process using the Stream Magic app from Cambridge Audio, but this is so fresh, it's not even available on the app to select as a model yet. It's an exclusive, what do you want? So at the heart of the streamer is a brand new DAC, or digital to analog converter. It's made by the premium electronics company ESS, and it's way more efficient in being able to pick out the little subtle details in the music. It reduces background noise and just gives you an overall better experience. So we've already given you the stats, we'll do them again here. But the short version is, this is going to make your high-res audio files sound much higher in quality. As well as improving the sound quality, the ESS DAC enhances high-res music file compatibility. So PCM files now are up from 24-bit 192 kilohertz to 32-bit 768 kilohertz. And DSD files go from DSD64 to DSD512. So this means that you get to choose from a wider choice of music, including the finest possible studio quality recordings. Pretty cool. Ooh, yeah. The latest Stream Magic Gen 4 version also enables MQA, as well as improving signal stability and app user friendliness. MQA is a recent development that uses the latest technology to reduce file sizes while maintaining high-res music. Oh, if you use Tidal's Hi-Fi Plus streaming service, that MQA compatibility lets you enjoy top quality high-res sound from more artists than ever, which is pretty cool. One of the biggest improvements over the CXN V2 is that the CXN100 has Bluetooth built in, so you no longer have to have that dongle sticking out the back. You can just stream your music directly from your smart devices. Taking a look at the back, we've got the antenna already plugged in, and what are you doing? Yeah, when you get a second, join the VIP club. You could have put something in it, put a brew in it or something. Sign up to the VIP club in seconds for free with just your email. Get lots of benefits. So back to what we've got on the back. We've got a USB input. We've got a hardwired Ethernet connection in case you don't want to use the Wi-Fi. And then obviously we've got the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas there. We've got a pair of optical input and coaxial input, as well as coaxial and optical output. To get the best out of your music, we'd recommend using the balanced XLR outputs to an amplifier of your choice. If you don't want to do that, however, you've obviously got the optical and coaxial outputs, but even with the left and right RCA outputs, you could hook it into something like a powered pair of active stereo speakers. So there it is, the Cambridge Audio CXN100 network streamer. Thanks for joining us for this quick look. If you'd like a more in-depth look at it, perhaps with some other components or some speakers, then drop a comment below and let us know what you want to see. More importantly though, if you want to hear it for yourself, we've got 51 stores nationwide, and if you need help finding your local store, you can click the link here. But for now, thanks for joining me for this video. If you're feeling generous, why not drop us a like, but don't you even think about subscribing. That's terrible. Hang on.
I liked it.
Was it all right?
Yeah.